Creating customer quotes shouldn't feel like the same repetitive task each and every time. Instead, you need a well-designed system, one that should remember your customers, store your pricing and your products, automatically calculate totals, and enable you to easily generate accurate quotes without lifting a finger or in a matter of a few clicks. Hey there, I'm Alex Knowles from automationhelpers.com, and in this video, we are looking at a system that helps you create quotes faster, reduces manual work, and gives your team a straightforward process they can rely on. Using this system, you will have a complete workflow from receiving a request to generating a quote and sending it straight back to the customer. It's more than just a place to organize information. Airtable gives you the tools to build complete business workflows, bringing together your data, automations, interfaces, and reporting in one connected platform. And today we're taking a look inside this Airtable quote management system and exploring how each part of it works. We'll begin with the database, where all of the information is stored. I'll walk you through the tables and explain how that data is structured and connected. And I'll show you why having a solid foundation is just simply a must when building any solution with Airtable. From there, we'll then look at the fields that power the system. And these are our formula fields that help us calculate the prices and total. Of course, we're also going to look at automations, which remove the repetitive manual work. And that'll be things like notifying your team when a new quote is ready for approval or sending an approved quote straight back to your customer via email. Finally, we'll then finish off with Airtable interfaces. And this is where everything comes together in a simple quote generator. We will look at how you can automatically generate quotes from a request form being submitted, but you also might have a field team or a sales rep team that need to generate quotes with an easy to use interface or app. So let's not waste any time and start with the structure, the data or data. Now, whenever building an Airtable solution, you always want to start with the database first. How will this look on the back end? Before you think about automations, AI interfaces, whatever, the structure of your system is the most important. If your data is messy, well, it's going to be very hard to build anything of value on top of it. So in this example, we're looking at a landscaping or home service business, but the same approach works for any quote-based business. At the heart of the system, we have our core tables, which is an example of our actual workflow. The first is our customers table, and this is the source of truth for anyone that we are quoting. Rather than typing customer details in a system or into a spreadsheet, or having it somewhere completely separate from your quotes and your service pricing, we store it in Airtable, and we reference it in Airtable whenever we need it. We need to update it, well, we jump into Airtable. Inside each customer record, we have the basic information you'd expect, such as the customer's name, their email, their phone, and any notes the team might need to add. The next table after customers is our properties table. Now, you might be wondering, why is it that we're separating our customers table from our properties table? And the reason is simple, because one customer can have multiple properties, and we don't want to have to divide or separate those properties within a customer table. We're going to create fields, and that's going to become cumbersome and complicated. For example, if you want to understand further, let's say we've got this commercial customer here. They could be responsible for several sites across locations. And rather than duplicating the customer information every time we need to create a new quote for them, we just simply link the property back to the customer and the quote back to the property and the customer. Now, each property stores information that's specific to the job site, such as the property address, the property type, access notes, site notes, any information that our team needs before preparing a quote or visiting the property. Now, we keep this information separate because it makes the database much more scalable, and it gives us a complete history of every property we've worked with. Next, we have our services table, which is super important because it's where we maintain everything the landscaping business offers, whether that's turf, pavers, or irrigation. Here is where it lives. Now, services contain every billable item. So we're not just stuck to the services that we provide, but we also include things like labor, materials, delivery charge, or equipment hire even. Each item has its own record with information like pricing, category, the unit of measure we use, and whether it's currently active. Do we have it? Next, we have our requests table. And this represents the initial inquiry that came through from a lead or a customer. Before there's a quote, clearly there's a request. And separating these two is important because not every inquiry, not every request will become a quote. And if we're treating requests as their own stage in the workflow, well, our system will be much more scalable. And finally, we have the quotes and the quotes line items table. The quotes table, you guessed it, is the main quote record. It stores the overall quote details like customer, property, quote date, status, assigned, team member, and any notes or messages that need to be included. Of course, a quote value, a price. Then the quote line items table is where each quote line item carries the pricing details for one part of the quote. Let's say someone needs their lawn mowed and their hedge trim. We need to define how much it costs for each, which will tally up the total quote. So that's where it's done. That's the service being quoted, the quantity, and the unit rate. Airtable can then calculate the total for each individual line item using our formula fields. And then the main quote record over here can roll all of those line items together into a subtotal, GST amount, and final quote total. The biggest advantage of structuring your services this way is that they automatically become a reusable catalog for how you run your entire business. Instead of manually typing services and pricing every time a quote is created, your team simply selects from a maintained list. That not only keeps your pricing and quoting consistent and removes any nasty surprises, but also ensures that your quotes, your calculations, your automations are all working from the single source of truth. And now that our database is connected, we can let Airtable do the calculations for us. So rather than manually calculating every new quote, we use formula fields to automatically work out everything in the background. In the quote line items table, each line item, which we've already kind of looked at, it has a service. That's what it represents. And it's been added to the quote, whether that's turf installation, labor, irrigation, or equipment hire. The first formula, the line total, well, this simply takes the quantity and multiplies it by the unit rate. Pretty simple. For example, if we're installing 120 square meters of turf at $45 per square meter, Airtable automatically calculates that line total for us. And we can see that just here. If we also apply a discount, well, the calculation then updates instantly. So there's no need to manually recalculate the quote every time something changes. It does it for us programmatically. Once every line item has its own total, like we can see, we then move back over to the quotes table. And using a roll-up field, Airtable collects every line total from the related quote line items and combines them into a single subtotal. But it doesn't just stop there because we have the power of Airtable. From there, we can calculate GST and apply a quote level adjustments if required. Think a well-known discount or a particular time of year we're doing a sale. So we've taken a look at our data, how our Airtable base has been structured, and the formula fields that actually calculate our quotes. But what about the workflows around it? Because within any business, a quote doesn't just come out of nowhere. Someone usually requests it. That request might come from a form on your website, a client inquiry, a sales call, or even an integration with another platform. With Airtable, we can capture that information and automatically populate our quote system. So here, once the quote has been prepared, we don't necessarily want to send it straight away. In many businesses, especially when pricing larger jobs, there needs to be a quick review step. So the quote can move into a status like ready for approval, like we see there. And at that point, someone internally can check the quote details, review the line items, confirm the pricing, and make sure everything looks correct. Now, here we can see in our automations that we've actually set up an automated workflow that will notify the right person when they need to approve a quote. Then, once approved, let's jump back in. There we go. The status is updated to approved, and that status change also triggers an automated workflow. So if we jump in, when Airtable sees that a quote has been approved, an automation will run in the background. The automation can send that quote to the customer, notify the team, update the quote status itself, or trigger whatever happens next to make sense of the business. So instead of manually tracking requests, generating quotes, and following up, we actually have a system, Airtable, that does that on our behalf. Requests come in, quote gets created, quote gets reviewed, quote gets approved, quote gets sent to the customer. And that's where Airtable becomes more than just a place to store your data, your information. It actually becomes a system that does work for you. Now, let's continue looking at the build because up until now, everything that we have looked at has been working within the base itself. The data, the structure, the formula fields, the automations. Everything has been in the base, but not everyone in your team is going to use the base. So we're going to look at interfaces. Interfaces allow you to build a custom application on top of your Airtable base. Rather than exposing every table, field, and relationship, you can present only the information your team needs to complete a specific task. And in our case, that's generating a quote for a customer. Let's say, for instance, you've got a field team or even a sales rep team. They're on the phone or they're at the site and they need to quickly generate a quote. Well, that's not so easy if they're relying on the Airtable bases. They're going to have to jump between the requests, the quotes, or even copy and pull out the price values of the services. Instead, we build a clean UI that enables your team to easily generate quotes on the go or on the phone. And because the interface is connected directly to the Airtable base, every service they add creates a new quote line item. Every quantity updates the calculations and every change is written back to the database automatically. Your team doesn't need to understand how the database has been built. They don't need to navigate between the different records, tables, and formulas. Instead, from this interface, they can create a new quote or open an existing one. As each service is added, Airtable creates the corresponding quote line item behind the scenes, and that standard rate is brought in automatically. Quantities can be adjusted, discounts apply where required, and the pricing summary updates instantly as the quote is built. Now, because the interface is connected to the Airtable base, every action updates the underlying records automatically. The salesperson or the field person, they never have to think about the pricing. They never have to think about what they're editing. They simply work through a guided quoting process. And once that quote has been reviewed, they simply click the Send Quote button. That button updates the quote status to approved, which immediately triggers the automation we configured and took a look at earlier. Airtable then generates the finished quote, emails it to the customer, notifies your team, and everything stays up to date in the single system. The result is a streamlined workflow where your team can prepare, review, and send quotes from a single system. If your business needs something built similar to this, well, don't hesitate to reach out to us. I've left a link in the description of this video where you can get a free 30-minute consultation with one of our experts. So book your free consultation today.